Here is the process of how to clean a throttle body. One thing you have to take to consideration is that many cars, especially newer cars, needs the idle relearn programming that can be done by a scanner, by an OBD2 scanner, which can program the idle relearn. I'm not sure there's any other way to program the idle relearn. That's why you have to take it to consideration and think about doing the throttle body cleaning yourself, and note that needs the idle relearn. It is pretty easy. What you need is a carb cleaner, a toothbrush, and a towel. This one was a Nissan Sentra 2020. It had not been cleaned for some time and it was pretty dirty, built up and dirt inside the throttle body. I had to use a sandpaper and almost a whole bottle of the carb cleaner. If the throttle body is cleaner than this one, you can do it on the car without removing it. It is a dangerous method to do. The best way is to remove it from the car and do it on bench. Remember one thing also, that black box on the top of the throttle, you have to be careful about to pour anything on it, because it is the electronic part of the throttle. That is where all things happen about the receiving data and sending back to the ECU. All the data is calculated by that black box. Keep in mind, when you're cleaning a throttle body, remember that black part on the throttle body, which is the electronics inside that, you have to be careful about pouring anything on it, so you don't damage the electronic parts of the throttle body accidentally. Let the black box be on the top of the throttle body while you're cleaning the throttle body. This is actually fun to do, and I really do enjoy to clean the throttle body and other mechanical parts, whether I do fix them or clean them, or needs to be changed or needs to be cleaned. But the good thing about the throttle body is, for most of the time, they just need to be cleaned. And see, the black line is built up inside the throttle body. Here's the sandpaper which I had to use to remove that buildup and dirt. The owner complained about the car was shaking and jerking, and I checked the coils and the spark plugs. There was nothing on them. The next step was to take a look at the throttle body, see if it was the problem and the cause of the problem, and fortunately it was the culprit, the cause of the shaking and jerking the car at idling. By the way, thanks for watching. Have a great day, night, wherever you are, and hopefully see you next. Take care.